The Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, is now investigating an overseas work program which has turned out to be a scam. A number of people turned up at a place in Christiana, Manchester to leave for the program, but they were left stranded. As TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports, a woman has been arrested in connection with the scam.
An angry crowd gathered at the Christiana police station in Manchester Wednesday morning to voice concerns about an overseas work program that turned out to be a scam. No one wanted to speak on camera except for this lady, Karen Codlin. Miss Codlin says they signed up with a group to get jobs on an overseas work program. They were told to meet at a central point in Christiana on Wednesday, February 28, where a bus would pick them up and take them to the airport. But after hours of waiting, no bus arrived. Several telephone calls were made to the persons who had been organizing the trip, but they were unable to make contact.
All I know is more than 30 people come here this morning to go away from 3 o'clock to go away from Philadelphia. So, you understand? Okay. People get here this morning from 2:30. From 2:30 we go acquiring because of the scamming thing. Them thing I need to cut out.
Ms. Codlin says they spent a lot of money on this program. It is believed persons paid sums ranging from $60,000 to almost $150,000 Jamaican dollars. She says some even sold their animals to pay for the trip. But she's blaming the government for allowing this to happen to them as they're all unemployed.
People want job and the Jamaican government ain't doing nothing, so that's why people are here being scammed because of the recklessness of the Jamaican government. People need work, they want farm work card because listen to me, if they had gotten chance to get the farm work card, this thing wouldn't be happen. This thing that you can't scam. Reason is them want work, them have foreign, not really say being foreign minded, but they want the opportunity to go to abroad to take care of their family.
Ms. Codlin is calling on the government to intervene. A flyer from the organizers promised jobs as carpenters, plumbers, painters, massage therapists, practical nurses, truck drivers, forklift operators and teachers. Meanwhile, head of Manchester Police Superintendent Wayne Cameron says a detective from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime CTOC investigation branch has taken over the investigation and a woman is in custody. Superintendent Cameron says statements are now being collected from the persons believed to have been scammed. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.